Today we're diving into something super important, the top 5 money mistakes small businesses make, and of course, how to avoid them. So the first money mistake that small businesses make is number 1, not having a budget. Without a budget, small businesses can't plan where their money should go, and they might end up spending it on the wrong things. Without a budget, a small business might not save any money. Then if something unexpected happens, they might be in big trouble. A budget also helps put some money away in the event of surprises. Mistake number 2, mixing personal and business money. Mixing personal and business money can lead to serious confusion. Everything gets messed up. By not separating these funds, it becomes difficult to track what money is being used for the business and what's being used personally. This lack of clarity can lead to problems and potential mistakes. Taxes can also become complicated when personal and business funds are combined. This creates potential tax problems. It's critical to keep accurate records for tax purposes, and mixing personal and business money can create confusion, which can lead to errors. Mistake number 3 businesses often make is not saving money for taxes, and that's a big problem. If a business doesn't save enough for taxes, it can run out of money when the tax bill comes. This could lead to needing money in a hurry, so saving for taxes is a must. It helps a business have enough money when the tax bill comes due. It helps to avoid penalties and interest, reduces stress, and lots of other things. Mistake number 4, neglecting your bookkeeping. Neglecting your bookkeeping is like ignoring the chores you need to do around the house. Eventually things pile up and get real messy. When a business doesn't pay attention to its bookkeeping, it loses track of where its money is going and coming from. This can create a huge mess that's hard to clean up. Keeping accurate records of sales, expenses, and other financial details is essential for understanding how the business is doing. By staying on top of bookkeeping, a business can plan better, avoid mistakes, and keep things in order, setting itself up for success in the future. Mistake number 5, not filing your tax returns on time. Not filing tax returns on time is like missing the bus. Once you're late, it's hard to catch up. When a business doesn't file its tax returns on time, it can lead to a lot of other problems. First, there might be expensive late filing penalties and interest, and these costs can quickly add up, even to the point where your original tax due amount doubles. Second, being late with taxes can cause stress and worry, making it harder for the owner to focus on other tasks like running the business. So get out your calendar and mark those filing deadlines, and make a conscious effort to not be late with filing your tax returns.